Hello. So today I'm going to clean my keyboard. It's pretty dirty. It's been sitting on my desk and I haven't really cleaned it in a while, so there's a lot of oil and probably like dead skin, like things like that around it. So I want to just give it a quick spray of compressed air, give it a wipe to get rid of some of the oil, and then also install new rubber feet because I'm missing rubber feet now. This hair, but basically I've lost one rubber foot on one side of the keyboard, and on the other side I have now just lost another one. So you see the glue right here. So I'm going to replace all of this actually with new rubber feet that I got. It's general purpose non-slip strips. Basically, I think I'm just going to, it comes with this in a square, and I'm going to, well, not really a square, but like strips, and I'm going to just try and like cut them so that they fit in the keyboard. But before that, I had to clean it, so just going to show that, and yeah, put on the rubber feet and hope that it works, because already I feel like it doesn't feel like it's as strong as these. But the one thing that I just don't like is that, I don't know if people hear this, but when I'm typing, it does this because it's uneven now. But if I don't have the strips, it's going to slide around on the desk. So yeah, let's just get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a can of compressed air, and I'm just going to spray it like that and just get rid of stuff. So yeah, I know it's gross, but that's reality, right? We're on the same keyboard for a long time. Just give it a bang. Give it a bang. There's stuff coming out, so let's get rid of that. Okay, so that's done. Next, I need a wipe. So, easiest thing I can think of, and I've never cleaned keyboard like this before, so I'm just going to use some wipes. I'm just going to go around and just try to get rid of as much oil as possible. Okay, so I don't even know if this is good for like the texture of the keyboard, but it'll be less gross. So just give it a quick wipe, especially on the wrist rest part. And why not? I have some more, so I'm just gonna wipe the back here. And the keyboard here is Kinesis Advantage360. So it's a pretty pricey keyboard. I really like it though. It's very ergonomic. I'm not really into the other fancy split keyboards. I just stick with the tried and true. And it's a good investment. It's also the keyboard I make a lot of noise with in my other videos. Sorry. It's very clicky. So that looks okay. It's nice and clean now. Okay. Next, I'm going to try and get the old rubber feet out and clean that too. So, I'm just going to use a box cutter and just kind of go and kind of peel that under. And then there's going to be a lot of adhesive. There's going to be a lot of adhesive under there, so I'm going to just like clean that out by wiping with some alcohol and things like that. So it's going to take some time. Let me see if I can just peel it off with my bare hands, because it is older now, so you know, it does want to come off. So this one is pretty strong still, but just give it enough force and it just comes right off like that. So that's trash now. Same thing with this one. This one is coming off a lot easier. So like that. I don't really have to put too much force. It's just because of my gloves. See? So I think it wasn't need a replacement anyway, all of these. So, try to do the other side. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. And should be able to get rid of this too. There we go. That one's a little tighter. Okay, so all clear now. All of them are clear, so no more rubber feet. Okay, but now it's time to just remove that excess adhesive. I'm going to try first with the wipe. If not, I might try nail polish remover because that's a great way to get rid of adhesive. But it looks like this will be okay. Yeah, it's already starting to come off. Yeah, so just get rid of that. Just wipe it away. So there's like a thin film right here that needs to be removed. It is sticky. So that's where I'm going to just kind of use the box cutter and just hopefully just go around and peel as needed, which I will do off camera. Then after doing that off camera, it's just sticking out, and it's as easy as that to peel. So it does still feel a little sticky, but just keep wiping, and eventually it will feel okay. So it does feel okay now, nice and smooth again. Same thing for this side. This also has adhesive that I need to get rid of. And quick peel again. It's okay. And then just wipe again around. Just make sure it's not sticky anymore. That's good. Okay, at this point, just make sure everything is dried, and then let's just start sticking these things on. I think I'm just going to be conservative and do 4 on each side. So just basically cut in half, and I think it'll be okay. I don't know, if it's too big right now, next time I'll just adjust. I have a lot of these anyway. Okay. So at this point, everything's dry. Thankfully, wipe liquid, I don't know what we call it, but it dries up pretty quickly. So what we want to do, okay, just cut in half and stick. As easy as that. So I'm just going to cut that and just figure out how to, I guess, make it so that it doesn't stick out, because these are just like rectangles. So, oops, yeah, right there. So these are just like rectangles, so they want to like kind of pop out. So what I want to do is I want to make it a little bit smaller, just so that it fits well. And I don't know whether or not I want to go horizontal or vertical, but it looks like horizontal might be a good idea. So I'm just going to cut around and just cut a little bit off here. So I'm just going to cut the strip, this little tiny piece off. Okay, and that makes it better, right? But we're still not there yet. Hopefully this looks okay, and that should fit. I'm going to stick it on, and there you go. There's the first one. We'll do that for the rest. And hopefully I didn't destroy the keyboard. Well, it's just rubber feet. So again, cut the small strip with the eye test. That looks okay. So just peel, stick, and we'll do the other side. Again, cut in half. This time, I'm going to just flip it upside down. Cut the small strip, then probably cut around. And that came out really well. So stick. And the last one, it's easy. Just cut the top strip off and stick. And stick it on. So there we go. It's a makeshift, but is stable. So I want to just demonstrate that. First of all, it's balanced, right? And yep, see, I'm already shaking the camera. It really holds on the table pretty well. Now the question is, like, long term is like, how well will it like stay? Like, these things will stay, but it'll be an easy fix. So I mean, these things are pretty cheap. It was like $6 or like a pack of whatever. Okay, so I'll just do that again for the rest of the video, and then probably give it one more wipe. I noticed that some of the keys are still yucky. So anyway, already have other things sticking. So yeah, cut the strip off. It's okay if you like can't get it perfect. The whole point is that you just want something to be stable and something to not slide. So it's totally fine if, you know, it's like if the feet end up smaller than the, I guess, the width or height of the bracket standoff thing. I don't know. I don't even like. Also, you know, this might not even be like a good way to do the maintenance, but it works for me. So I want this here. It's better if I do it upside down because I have a sense on how to. Yeah. And the last one. Okay, I think that's it, really. So that came out like that. I think my left side was way better than the right side. I think I just got sloppy, but overall, no more bounce, stable, and stays on the desk. So I'll just plug this in here. Then this will go to the computer later. I might as well just redo the wrap here for cable management. Basically, just probably, maybe I should use 2. Yeah, that might sound like it's a good idea. So I'll just wrap with 2. Totally the wrong way. Then maybe the other one. Just kind of get even. Guess I'll use this one over here. It's from a USB cable. I have a lot of these.